Oscar and the Wolf sind endlich bei uns.
The Band op Aldo Radio.
Ja, eng Band die von allem durch Elite an den Herzer von Lützebauer gekommen ist, nämlich Princess. Mit uns noch viel mehr in einem anderen Album, den Anfang des Monats rausgekommen ist, ein Auftritt, den den Ofen dem neuen The Floor an der Rockhall stattfindet. Und endlich auch etwas zu essen. You have something to eat. Great. Hi Max, how are you?
Good, thanks for giving me the food actually.
Yeah, no problem. Also mir ist extra geduld. Die Jungen Silo kurz nur 2 halb bestimmt noch nicht gehst. Dafür gibt es noch kleinen Chicken Salad von unserem Kollegen von Luxfit. Vielen merci auch hin dafür. So Max, you are Oscar and the Wolf not alone, but you are not alone in the interview. Is that right?
Yeah.
So you know at your final lineup, or is there new changes coming?
Well, there's always things that can change. Like there's people that can come, and I mean, there's sometimes like the last we got a bass player and he got sick, and just I know some people just sometimes want to go.
When you write a song for an EP now, or for your album you just came out now, Entity, do you know already which song's gonna be a hit? Like for example now Princess, did you know when you wrote it, okay, that's gonna be a bomb?
Yeah.
Yeah, you knew it.
I'm really honest in this, but when I wrote it, I was like, guys, because I sent it to the record label and the manager, and I was like, okay, guys, this is probably gonna work on the radio.
So it's not your first time in Luxembourg. You were here with your band on the Sonic Visions Festival. You were here as a support act, Lou Reed, and with
Warpaint.
Yeah, how was it? What was your best experience here in Luxembourg?
Warpaint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because of your musical preference, or why?
I knew only 2 songs of theirs, and then I saw them, and then I found out that the bass player, who is Jenny Lee Lindberg, she's incredibly beautiful, and I thought I knew her from somewhere, and then I thought, oh my god, it's an Hollywood actress, because she...
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then I found out that it was a sister of Shannon Sossamon, and she plays in 40 Days and 40 Nights.
Now, another question. Today, Google Street View, do you know that? It was launched here in Luxembourg.
Yeah.
How is it in Belgium? Is it also in Belgium?
Yeah, of course.
You see everything now. You see every street, every house. How do you feel about that? I was really a little bit... Because I saw my house and it was a little bit embarrassing.
I was a bit addicted to Google Street View 1 year ago.
Yeah.
Because I was zooming in on everything I could imagine. I wanted to zoom in. And there was even an app where you can transport yourself into like a random place. So then you have to click and all of a sudden you're in a place in like somewhere in the world, and then you have to guess in which country you're in. But it's super nice. You have to find it.
You show me now afterwards when you played your song. Wie gesagt, Oscar Wolf die bei uns spielen noch geschwinde Lied, und zwar Princess werden sie eine ganz spezielle Version spielen, extra für euch und extra für mich.